Yesterday, I read that the former president, no less a person than the former president, President Mahama, described Ghana's national digital property addressing system as a 419 scam. When I read his reasoning for such a description, it became very evident to me that he has no clue about what he was talking about and was just engaged in parroting propaganda. I actually had a good laugh. Let me therefore take this opportunity to educate him and others who may think like him about Ghana's landmark digital property addressing system, which has been achieved in less than 1 year and something his government could not do in 8 years. I hope that in all humility, former President Mahama can now accept criticism from me, since by the grace of God I have now occupied the office of Vice President of the Republic. For the former President Mahama to claim that Ghana's national digital property addressing system and the accompanying Ghana Post GPS app is a 419 scam simply demonstrates a complete lack of understanding of the system. We have been witnesses to 8 years of his governance as Vice President and President, and we know what 419 scams look like. The National Digital Property Addressing System is not your 419 200 million Ghana cedi SADA, guinea fowl and tree planting scam. It is not your 419 Smarties bus branding scam, and it is not your 419 $23 million runway at Kumasi Airport. It is not your 419 $952 million JIDA scam, and it's not the 419 $14 million mansion for the Vice President. It's also not the 419 657 million Ghana cedi Wyoming, Waterville, and other judgment debt scams. We know a 419 scam when we see one. And that, unfortunately, was the hallmark of the administration of former President Mahama. Ghanaians will find out more soon, very soon, as people are held legally accountable for all these scams. With the record that the former president has in the area of governance, it is incredible that he would have the effrontery to talk about 419 scams. We have spent $2.3 million on the National Digital Property Addressing System, and I dare say it is money well spent for the benefit of all Ghanaians. It is not money finding itself into the pockets of a few cronies. We did not spend it on guinea fowls or bus branding or overpriced mansions and contracts or ghost roads. We have spent it on something productive. As a result, Ghana has an excellent digital addressing system. If the former President Mahama can take care and some time just to read and learn about it. It was developed by Ghanaians, and we should collectively take pride in their work and not try to pull them down. Work is proceeding. We are motoring on, and the National Digital Property Addressing System will be implemented with the physical tagging of every house next year, as well as the synchronization of the digital address of each property with the address on the utility bills of the property. I should note that propaganda did not help the former President Mahama when he was in government, and it is certainly not going to help him in opposition. We welcome constructive criticism, but before you criticize, please take your time to make sure you know what you're talking about. Otherwise, you would sadly be exposed as being ignorant of simple facts, as is the case. Now that I've gotten that off my chest, I can move.